Hey everyone, welcome back to your own channel. I hope you all are doing fine in this pandemic situation. If not, please don't worry, things will work out for you very shortly. Just have a little faith in God. First of all, I'm sorry for being away for a very long time. I know it's been more than a year since I created my last video, but I'll try to find some time going forward and share the good stuff with you as usual. Okay, so today's topic is about the mining, cryptocurrency mining. So for those who don't know what cryptocurrency is or what mining is, let me tell you briefly about it. So cryptocurrency is a virtual currency which you can buy or sell in any exchange like BitBNS or WazirX, CoinDX. So we have so many platforms at this moment. But let's say you don't want to put your own money on it and you want to get it free of cost, then there is a way which is called mining. And trust me, you don't really have to put even a single rupee for this. It's just a normal setup required, which will take hardly 1 minute for you, and you can start mining on your own. So let's just get started, and let me tell you how we're gonna do that. Only thing you require for this is a web browser. So simply go to a web browser and copy the link from the description below and paste it here. I am already logged in, so let me log out and show you how it works. So this page will come when you go to the link. Simply click on register now and enter email address, your own email address, and your new password. And yeah, you need to verify that you are a human, so just click this box and follow the instructions. Select the item which is being asked to click on in the description, so do that and click on verify. And click on register. I already have registered, so let me log in and show you how it looks. Let me enter my password, login. Okay, see, so this is the dashboard. So basically you can mine 4 coins free of cost: the Tron, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Binance coin. So this is pretty simple, guys. Just decide what all coins you want to mine and allocate the hash rate accordingly. So the hash rate which is given to you, that's free of cost, and which is pretty basic, which will not give you a lot of revenue, but you can pay some extra amount if you want to increase the speed. I mean, if you go with the basic plan, the earning will be very slow. Let's say if you're planning for Dogecoin mining, then with the basic plan, hardly you will get 1 Dogecoin in a day. So if you want to boost it, then they have some different plans. The plan which I have taken is, I only paid $1,000 and I received some additional hash rate. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and if you want to know more about mining, how it works, and if you want to know other ways to mine, like I'm doing here on the screen, this is another mining. It is hardcore mining where you need to have some technical knowledge, but I can surely help you with that if you really need it. Just let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.